Unlock a new level of website sophistication by seamlessly integrating Lovable's dynamic capabilities directly into your WordPress masterpiece. First, we'll head into your WordPress dashboard to add the necessary connection. Navigate to Plugins in the left-hand menu and select Add New. In the search bar at the top, type in Lovable to find the official integration plugin. You might see a few options, so make sure to look for the one directly from the Lovable developers. Once you locate the Lovable plugin, click the Install Now button. After a moment, this will change to Activate, so go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin. You'll now notice a new menu item, likely labeled Lovable, added to your WordPress dashboard's main navigation. This is your gateway to managing the integration. Click on the Lovable menu item to access its settings. Here, you'll find several options to tailor how Lovable interacts with your WordPress site. The most crucial step is usually connecting your Lovable account. You'll likely need to input an API key or connect directly via an authentication prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions provided within the Lovable settings to authorize the connection. Now, to showcase Lovable's features on your site, you'll use special codes, often called shortcodes. Find the specific shortcode for the Lovable element you want to display, such as a product listing or interactive graphic. Paste this shortcode into any WordPress post, page, or even a widget area. Save your changes, and voila! Lovable's design elements or interactive features will instantly appear on your live website, enhancing its appeal and functionality. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully bridged Lovable and WordPress, creating a powerful, synergistic combination that elevates your online presence.